Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check PayPal limits. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch the PayPal app, come to the top right, click on these three horizontal lines, and then I want you to click on account settings, okay? Now from here, I want you to just search up limits, okay, right here, and then what I want you to do is once you've searched up limits, right, I want you to click here where it says limits on your account. Click on view and you will be able to see all your limits. So you can see our balance limits are none. No receiving limits as well. You can scroll down. So yearly sending limit. So usually you'll have this and you'll usually have a per transaction withdrawal limit as well and monthly as well. So you can scroll down and see each and you can lift these limits just by verifying yourself. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.